Namaste everyone. In this session, I will be continuing on the topic of complete MCQs on modern Indian history of Spectrum book. First question: who is the founder of Kingdom of Hyderabad? So, independent Kingdom of Hyderabad was established by Nizam ul Mulk in 1748. It was Nizam ul Mulk in 1748. Next question: who led the French forces in First and Second Carnatic War? French forces was led by Dupleix, French Governor General Dupleix, and from British side it was Robert Clive. And first Carnatic War was fought between 1742 1748 and second was 1749 to 1754. Next, consider the following statements about Second Carnatic War from 1749 to 54. First statement: after the death of Nizam ul Mulk, the accession of Nasir Jung, son of Nizam, was opposed by Muzaffar Jung, grandson of Nawab. Second statement: Muzaffar Jung claimed the throne by saying that Mughal emperor had appointed him as the governor of Carnatic. Third statement: in the Carnatic, the appointment of Anwaruddin Khan as the Nawab was opposed by Chanda Sahib. The French supported the claims of Muzaffar Jung and Chanda Sahib. The British supported the Nasir Jung and Anwaruddin. So all the given statements are correct. So the cause of Second Carnatic War was because of after the death of Nizam ul Mulk. Nizam ul Mulk is the one who founded the Hyderabad in 1717. He founded Hyderabad. After Nizam ul Mulk's death, the accession of Nasir Jung, son of Nasir Jung is the son of Nizam. He accessed the throne, but it was opposed by Muzaffar Jung, who is the grandson of Nizam. And Muzaffar Jung claimed the throne by saying that the Mughal emperor had appointed him as the governor of Carnatic. He opposed Nasir Jung and claimed the throne and said that Mughal emperor had appointed him as the governor of Carnatic. And another cause is in the Carnatic, the appointment of Anwaruddin Khan as the Nawab was opposed by Chanda Sahib. In Carnatic, Chanda Sahib opposed the appointment of Anwaruddin Khan. This was the cause of the Second Carnatic War, in which French supported the claims of Muzaffar Jung and Chanda Sahib, and the British supported Nasir Jung and Anwaruddin. Next, which of the following are correct about the aftermath of Second Carnatic War? The combined armies of Muzaffar Jung, Chanda Sahib and French defeated and killed Anwaruddin at the Battle of Ambur near Vellore in 1749. Muzaffar Jung became the Subedar of Deccan and Dupleix was appointed as the governor of all Mughal territories to the south of river Krishna. Third statement: a French army under Bassi was stationed at Hyderabad to secure French interests there. Fourth statement: their territories near Pondicherry and also some areas on the Orissa coast, including Masulipatam, were ceded to the French. All the given statements are correct. Answer is all the statements are correct. After Second Carnatic War, which was won by combined forces of Muzaffar Jung, Chanda Sahib and French, won this Second Carnatic War and they defeated and killed the Anwaruddin Khan. And in Second Carnatic War, the Battle of Ambur near Vellore was fought. Muzaffar Jung became the Subedar of Deccan. After their won in this battle, Muzaffar Jung became Subedar of Deccan and Dupleix was appointed as governor of all Mughal territories to the south of river Krishna, and French army under Bassi was stationed at Hyderabad to secure French interest there, and the territories near Pondicherry and some areas near Orissa coast like Pondicherry were also ceded to French. Next question. Consider the following statement. After the defeat of Second Carnatic War, after the defeat in Second Carnatic War, the British Army under Governor General Robert Clive attacked Arcot, the capital of Carnatic. Robert Clive, with the forces of 210 men, attacked and captured the Arcot. The Chanda Sahib, with the force of 4,000 men from Trichinopoly, failed to get back the Arcot. Third statement, the Muhammad Ali executed the Chanda Sahib. Only statement 1 and 2 are correct. Only statement 2 is correct. Only statement 3 is correct. All the statements are correct. So answer for this question is all the given statements are correct. So Britishers were defeated by French in Second Carnatic War. To reply for this, Robert Clive attacked the Arcot, which was the capital of Carnatic, in which Chanda Sahib was stationed. Robert Clive basically thought that if he attacked the Arcot, which is the capital of Carnatic, then the focus of Chanda Sahib can be diverted. He will be more focused towards his capital Arcot, and the same thing happened. Robert Clive, with the force of only 210 men, attacked and captured the Arcot, and Chanda Sahib, with the force of 4,000 men from Tiruchinappalli, even though his army was larger in number, but even he failed to defeat Robert Clive. And later Muhammad Ali executed the Chanda Sahib, and all the given statements are correct. So this is all for today's session. If you like this session, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.